Hello dear students, this is Sindhu Kaushik. So today we will solve some problems. So first problem, in V3 of Z3, how many vectors are spanned by 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2? So this is the question. In V3 of Z3, V3 means set of all triplets from the set Z3. What is the set Z3? Z3 is nothing but set of all 0, 1, 2 with respect to addition modulo 3 and multiplication modulo 3. Is it okay? So, how many vectors? We have to find out. We have to find out how many vectors are spanned by 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. So, or the question also like this. Exhibit all vectors spanned by 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. So, this is the question. So, solution for this. So, here is the solution. So, first, what is Z3? Z3 is equal to set of all the elements 0, 1, 2. Okay. So, if I take 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then, with respect to addition modulo 3, multiplication modulo 3, if I divide by using this 3, 3 ones are 3, we get the remainder 0. So, this is 0. If I take 4, then if I divide this 4 by using this 3, then it becomes 3 ones are 3. So here 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 is what? The remainder is 1. Okay. So all the elements are repeating. Okay. So Z3 contains only 3 elements, namely 0, 1, 2 with respect to the binary operation. Addition modulo 3, multiplication modulo 3. So this is the set Z3. Then V3 of Z3 is nothing but set of all triplets X, Y, Z. Set that X, Y, Z must be in the set Z3. If we have V3 of R, then this set is the set of all triplet where the triplet X, Y, Z must be from the set R. Is it clear? So now let us take the remaining. Let W is equal to, so these vectors 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2 in the set W. So let we consider the set W is equal to the set containing 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. So which is clearly subset of V3 of Z3. Why? Because the elements of W are triplets and also the coordinates are all the elements having the elements are 0, 1, 2. So here 1 and 2, 2. So 2, 1. So these are all elements of what? Z3. So which is clearly a subset of V3 of Z3. So now here Z3 is a field. Why? Why Z3 is a field? So here we have the theorem. What is the theorem? If Zn is a field, Zn, n is a field if and only if n must be a prime number. So n must be a prime number. What is the prime number? Prime numbers are nothing but the number 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. 3 which is divisible by 1 and 3. That is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself, then we say that that number is a prime number. If I take 5 which is also a prime number. So here Zn become a field if that n must be a prime number. Therefore Z3 is a field. Is it clear? So Z3 is a field. Now, so here I am taking, so Z3 we have 3 elements namely 0, 1, 2. So consider these are, since Z3 is a field, all the elements of Z3 is nothing but scalars. So we know that the linear combination is nothing but C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 so on. C1, C2 are all scalars and alpha 1, alpha 2 are vectors. Is it okay? So now here I am considering 0 with 0, then 0 with 1, then 0 with 2. Okay. So in place of C1, in place of C2. So I am taking 0 with 0. The vectors are what? 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. 0 into 1, 2, 1 plus 0 into 2, 1, 2. That is the linear combination which is equal to what? 0 into anything is 0. Therefore 0, 0, 0 plus 0 into 2, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 2, 0. So adding these, we again get the triplet containing 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So next, taking the scalar C1, C2 in place of C1, C2, I am considering 0 with 1. Okay. So 0 with 1, 0, 1, 2, 1 plus 1 into 2, 1, 2. So that is C1 into alpha 1, C2 into alpha 2. And this is also C1 into alpha 1, C2 into alpha 2, like that. Okay. So now, so here 0 into anything is 0. If 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 ones are 1, 1 into 2, 2. Is it clear? So now we get 2, 1, 2. Is it okay? So if I add these two triplet, first 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So 0 with 0 is over, 0 with 1 is over. Next, last 0 with 2. I am considering for the scalar 0 with 2. Okay. So that is C1 and C2. Alpha 1, alpha 2 are same. That is 1 to 1, 2, 1, 2. Now 0 into anything is 0. So this one. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Multiply 2 within the triplet. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So here, if I add these two triplet, get 4, 2, 4. But 4, which is not an element of Z3. So Z3 contains only 3 elements, namely what? 0, 1, 2. So therefore, for 4, if I divide 4 by 3, 3 ones are 3, we get the remainder 3. So that is addition modulo or multiplication modulo. From that, we remain with 1. So 2, which is an element of Z3. Next 4. So again, write the remainder. So this is 1 to 1. So we get 0, 0, 0, 2, 1, 2 and 1 to 1. Okay. So next. So here, next step. Now I am considering 1 with 0, 1 with 1 and 1 with 2 for the scalars. So vectors are same, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 1, alpha 2. Is it clear? So now 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 1, 1, plus 0 into anything is 0, 0, 0. If I add these two, we get 1, 2, 1. Okay. So 1 with 0 is over. Next 1 with 1. That is, I am choosing the scalar 1 with 1. So 1 into 1 to 1 plus 1 into 2 1 2. So 1 into 1 to 1 is 1 to 1 itself. Plus 1 into 2 1 2 is 2 1 2 itself. So if I add 1 plus 2 becomes 3. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. And 3 plus 2 becomes 3 plus 2 becomes 3. So but it is not 3 is not an element of Z3. So therefore divide this 3 by using this 3. So 3 ones are 3, remainder becomes 0. So 0, 0, 0. Okay. So next, last 1 with 0 is over, 1 with 1 is over, last 1 with 2. So now I am considering 1, the scalar C1 in place of C1 1 and in place of C2 2, alpha 1, alpha 2 same. So C1 into 1 to 1 plus C2 into 2 1 2. Okay. So 1 into 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So if I add these two triplet, we get 1 plus 4, the first coordinate 5. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 1 plus 4, that is 5. 5, 4, 5. But 5, 4, 5 are not an elements of Z3. So for that, divide 5 by using 3. 3 ones are 3. Remainder is 2. So put 2. For 4, the remainder is 1. For 5, the remainder is 2. Is it okay? So here we get 1 2 1, 0 0 0 and 2 1 2. Finally, next, the element of Z3, last element 2. 2 with 0, 2 with 1, 2 with 2. So that is C1. Choosing C1, C2 has 2 0. Next, C1, C2 has 2 1. Scalars. C1, C2 has 2 2. Now, 2 into alpha 1, 1 2 1. 0 into 2 1 2, alpha 2. C1 into alpha 1, C2 into alpha 2. That is the linear combination. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Plus 0 into anything is 0. If I add, we get 2 4 2. But 4 is not an element of Z3. Therefore, If I divide by 3, we get a remainder 1. Is it clear? 2, 1, 2, which is clearly in Z3. Next, I am taking 2 with 1, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 into 2 1 2 is nothing but 2 1 2 itself. If I add these two, 2 plus 2 is what? 4. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Okay. So 4 and 5 are not an element of Z3. So write the remainder. So if I divide 4 by 3, we get a remainder 1. If I divide, or you just subtract 5 from 3, you get 2. Or for 4, just subtract 3, you get 1. So that's it. So this is what? Simple. 1 2 1. Is it okay? So last, 2 with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, plus 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then if we had first and first, 6, 2 plus 4, 6. Second and second, 4 plus 2, again 6. 2 plus 4, last, that is 6. 6 is not an element of Z3. So again, divide. Here, don't do 6 minus 3. Then we again get 3. So then 3 is not an element of Z3. Therefore, again subtract 3. So we get 0. Okay. So for that, just do like this. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 0. 0 0 0. Is it okay? So just divide by using 3 and write the remainder. Okay. So here we get the elements what? 2 1 2, 1 2 1 and 0 0 0. So in all possible cases means 0 with 0, 0 with 1, 0 with 2. 1 with 0, 1 with 1, 1 with 2. 2 with 0, 2 with 1, 2 with 2. We get exactly, so here in the previous sheet, I get 0 0 0. So here I am taking, what is that? Triplet 0 0 0. Then 2 1 2, 2 1 2. Next is what? 1 2 1, 1 2 1. Okay. So in the next sheet here I am getting 1 2 1. So 1 2 1, 0 0 0. And here the element 2 1 2, 2 1 2 for this. So in next case I am getting 2 1 2 and 1 2 1 and 0 0 0. So what are those? 0 0 0, 0 0 0, 0 0. Just write one time 0 0 0. Next 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 1 2. So here 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 1 2. So just write 2 1 2 one time. Okay. So next 1 2 1. Here 1 2 1 and 1 2 1. So just write one time 1 2 1. So what are all possible spanned vectors? Is nothing but 0 0 0, 2 1 2, 1 2 1. Okay. So therefore 1 2 1 and 2 1 2 spans three different vectors. They are 0 0 0, 1 2 1 and 2 1 2. Is it clear? So what is the linear span of W? So which is the set of all the elements containing 0 0 0, 1 2 1 and 2 1 2. Is it clear? So what is the question? Exhibit all vectors spanned by 1 2 1 and 2 1 2. Okay. So I am taking W is equal to 1 2 1 and 2 1 2. So therefore spanning the set of all spanned vectors are nothing but L of W. So we get L of W is equal to 0 0 0, 1 2 1 and 2 1 2. Is it clear? So next question, to better understand. So I am considering the next question. So this is the question. In V3 of Z3, same. Z3 is what? 0, 1, 2. How many vectors are spanned by the vectors 2, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 2? Find them. Okay. So similar to the previous problem, here I am considering Z3. So Z3 is what? The set containing 0, 1, 2 with respect to the binary operation, addition modulo 3, multiplication modulo 3. So now V3 of Z3, set of all V3 of Z3 are look like what? V3 means triplet. Z3, all the coordinates first, second, third must belongs to Z3. It means 0, 0, 0. It may be 0, 1, 2. It may be 2, 1, 0. Like that. Not 3, not 4, not 5. Is it clear? So just all these elements are come from Z3 only. Now, I am choosing like W is equal to what? 2, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 2. So what we have to find? Linear span of W. Okay. So for that, similar to the previous one, take 0 with 0, 0 with 1 and 0 with 2. Scalars C1, C2, C1, C2, C1, C2. So vectors are what? 2, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 2 for this problem. Alpha 1 and alpha 2. This one is alpha 1, alpha 2. Is it clear? So next start with 1. 1 with 0, 1 with 1 and 1 with 2. Similarly, last step, start with 2. 2 with 0, 2 with 1, 2 with 2. Just change the scalars. So first step, 0 into 2, 1, 1 plus 0 into 1, 2, 2 is equal to what? 0 into anything is what? 0, 0, 0. Plus 0 into anything is again 0, 0, 0. If I add these two triplet, again I get the triplet 0, 0, 0. Is it clear? Now, 0 with 1. 0 into anything is 0. That's okay. Next, 1 with 1, 2, 2. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. So that is 1, 2, 2. Which is clearly an element of Z3. Okay. So now, 0 with 2. 0 with 0 into 2, 1, 1 is nothing but 0, 0, 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. If I add, again we get 2, 4, 4. 4 is not an element of Z3 and 4 is also not an element in Z3. So just remove minus 3. Just remove minus 3. We get 1. So put that 1. So then it become an element of V3 of Z3. Is it clear? So we get 3 triplets 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 1, 1. So for this, next 1 with 0, 1 with 1, 1 with 2. For 1 into alpha 1 is same, alpha 2 is same. So 1 into 2, 1, 1 is nothing but 2, 1, 1. 0 into anything is 0. If I add, we get 2, 1, 1. So this is the final. Next, C1, C2. For C1, C2, I am taking 1, 1. So 1 into 2, 1, 1 is nothing but 2, 1, 1. 1 into 1, 2, 2 is nothing but 1, 2, 2. So if I add first one, 2 plus 1 is 3. Second one, 1 plus 2 is 3. Last one, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 is not an element of Z3. So just remove 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Or you can divide this 3 by 3. Why I am dividing by using 3? Because Z3. So 3 1s are 3. We get remainder 0. Just write 0, 0, 0 because all are 3. So which is clearly an element of Z3. Now, so 1 with 2 for this. 1 into 2, 1, 1 is nothing but 2, 1, 1 plus 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. If I add these two, 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. So 4 is not an element of Z3. Just remove 3. We get 1. Okay. So for 5, just remove 3. We get 2. So 2, 2, which is an element of Z3. So we get 3, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 2, 2, 3 triplets for this set. Last set, that is 2 with 0, 2 with 1, 2 with 2. Here is the last set. 2 with 0, 2 with 1 and 2 with 2 for the scalars. Alpha 1, alpha 2 are same. So 2 into 2, 1, 1 is nothing but what? 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Next, 0 into anything is 0, 0, 0. If I add, we get 4, 2, 2. 4 is not an element. Just remove 3. So that is 1, 2, 2. Now it is an element of Z3. So I get 1, 2, 2. Next, 2 with 0 is over. Next, take 2 with 1. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 1 into anything is that element itself. So 1, 2, 2. If I add 4 with 1, that is 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 is not an element of Z3. Just remove 3. We get 2. 4 is not an element of Z3. Just remove 3. We get what? 1. So write that 1. So now it is an element of Z3 or V3 of Z3. So now 2 with 2. Last case. So C1 and C2. For the scalars, I am choosing 2 and 2. So now 2 into 2, 1, 1 plus 2 into 1, 2, 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Next, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. If I add 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, lost, 2 plus 4 is also 6. So if I divide 6 by 3, 3 2s are 6, we get remainder 0. Therefore 0, 0, 0. Or remove 3 from the 6, we get again 3, which is not an element of Z3. Again remove 3, we get 0. Okay, so 0, 0, 0. So which is an element of V3 of Z3. So now, what are the possible elements for these? So in the previous page, I get 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 1, 1. Is it okay? So for this set, I am getting 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 2, 2. So in the next page, for the last case, I get, what is the elements? 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 0. So what are the elements? What are the possible elements? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So write that one, 0, 0, 0. Next, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, then 1, 2, 2. So that is 1, 2, 2. Next, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, then 2, 1, 1. Here is the 2, 1, 1. So 2, 1, 1. What are the LFW? All possible spanned vectors by 1, 2, 2 and 2, 1, 1 is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay. So what is the conclusion? So here is the conclusion. 2, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 2 spans 3 different vectors. 3 different vectors. So they are 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. That is L of W is equal to the triplet 0, 0, 0 and the triplet 1, 2, 2 and the triplet 2, 1, 1. Is it clear? So this is the, for the, in exam, if they ask in V3 of Z3, how many vectors are spanned by 2, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 2, find them. So you just write like this. Is it clear? So in the next video, I will explain the problems related to linearly dependent and linearly independent vectors. Is it okay? Thank you.